You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is m equals -1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Group all m terms on the left side of the equation. Add 72m to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 10 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the m. Divide both sides by -18. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is m equals -1.